Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, 179 for Monday, the 31st of March, 2025. As always, you're very welcome here. Just remember that you are ultimately responsible for your own trading decisions. So let's have a little look at some charts of interest. I always put up a couple of charts that you might just want to take away and add some interest to. So, despite all the other stuff that's going on with, tariffs and markets, we do still have some earnings coming out this week. And one of them is RCAT, Red Cat Holdings. Maybe you know of these, maybe you don't. These are primarily their drone operators. Now, I have to, in the interest of full disclosure, of course, I have up until recently been working as a director in a drone defense business. So I take a bit of an interest in this. Okay, anyway, I know enough to be dangerous. That's the way I would claim. All right, but I take an interest in it because just of the way that it is a market that is still developing. Red Cat, okay, as I said, drone operators and people can go in to look into the absolute details of it. But what we have seen, okay, at the end of last year, and this is what I've put on here is the weekly chart as always. It was pretty much a drone operator, okay, that was really just going north of just a dollar, okay, and then as we started to see basically, pretty much with a lot of stocks last year, okay, into that kind of end of Q3. Calendar Q3, things started to get a bit bullish, and then of course we had we had Mr. President Trump winning, but also comments by Mr. Musk about how the Lockheed Martin F-35 was a waste of money and actually the future was drones. And that, along with some other elements, just shoved RCAT, okay? Red Cat up from $3 up to, as you can see, just $15, okay? Tickle the soft underbelly of $15 there. And then what did we print here? Yeah, what did we print there? That is, it's a bearish engulfing candle. It's a bearish key reversal candle, price pushed to a new high, but closed beneath the low of the previous candle. Okay. And then what we've seen since then is basically, a drift away back down. And where have we drifted back down to? Well, as you can see, we've not closed beneath the round number of $5. Okay. And we've also got the weekly 50 holding there. So they are releasing their earnings this evening after markets close. So I'll be interested to see whether there's good enough news to get us pumping back up towards that 20-period moving average, or whether the news is where the earnings are poor in a market environment that's presently poor, in which case I'd be seeing 5 get to 5 and the 50-period moving average get tested. That's the scenario I'd be looking at later on today.